Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get and use this Christmas sprinkler in Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Christmas update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Finally, I could unlock this Christmas sprinkler, and before I apply the sprinkler to my plants, I'm going to show you how you can get this Christmas sprinkler. So guys, you can get the Christmas sprinkler by submitting your Christmas mutated plants or joining the Christmas harvest event, and you will have chance to get the Christmas present. And when you open the Christmas present, you will have possibility to get this Christmas sprinkler, or you can go to the Christmas shop right here and buy the Christmas present. Okay, and you will have 39.5% chance to get this Christmas sprinkler. And I'm going to go to my garden and I'm going to apply it to my Christmas plant. And just remember guys that this sprinkler only works for the Christmas plant. Okay, I'm going to place it here. These are my Christmas plants. I'm going to click on confirm. Okay, and now the sprinkler is being applied, but there is no effect, guys. And from the information that I read, it can increase growth speed and also chance for variance and also size of Christmas type plants. But yeah, it has no effect. But just remember that it can only work for the Christmas plants. Okay guys, and that's all about the Christmas sprinkler in Grow a Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.